Howdy, life science 7th graders. I'm going to show you some examples of your salmon life cycle poster project. First of all, you need to make sure that you put these notes into your notebook, because these 8 stages are what you're going to use for this poster project. Or if you want to make a 3D model or something like that, you can do that too. So please check out this document that is posted. So let me show you some examples. So this person did a standard poster. They chose to print out the facts that go with each of the 8 life stages that we took in those notes. They have titles for each stage. They have 5 predators. They have colored illustrations, a title. Again, refer to that handout that we were just looking at for requirements. This person did the same type of thing, but they did kind of a flip book for the 8 stages like this. This person had a creative idea and did like a comic strip, so they made like a story out of those 8 life stages of a Pacific salmon. This one is quite an extraordinary one. So this is on a board. This is a pretty clever piece of artwork. But if you look, you can see the 8 stages are on there. All the facts that we took from our notes are for the 8 stages. The 5 predators that are required are in there. There's a title. It's colored. So if you want to get creative, please feel free to do so. This person made a little book. The one thing we're not doing, we're not going to do Google Slides. If you have creative ideas that you want to run by me, please email me. But hopefully those examples help you as you look at the project requirements.